Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play League of Legends with a VPN. Using a virtual private network can significantly enhance your gaming experience by reducing latency and providing a more stable connection. It also opens up the possibility of playing on different regional servers, letting you connect with friends or explore new communities. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable game with potentially lower ping. Choosing the right VPN is crucial for a seamless gaming experience. Prioritize providers with a wide network of servers, especially those located close to your preferred League of Legends game region. This proximity can drastically reduce your ping. Always ensure the VPN offers robust security features, like strong encryption, and maintains a strict no-logs policy to protect your privacy. Once chosen, simply download and install their dedicated application. With your VPN installed, the next step is straightforward. Open the VPN application and select a server location that aligns with your desired League of Legends region. For instance, if you want to play on the European server, choose a European VPN server. It's vital to connect to the VPN server before launching the League of Legends client. You can quickly verify your new IP address online to confirm the connection is active. To get the absolute best performance while gaming with a VPN, consider a few optimization tips. First, close any unnecessary background applications that might be consuming your internet bandwidth. Second, whenever possible, use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. It offers superior stability and speed. Finally, don't hesitate to experiment with different VPN server locations within your chosen region to find the one that provides the lowest ping and most consistent connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.